Hey, this is Art and welcome back to the 5-day challenge. This is day 5, so the final day. I hope you went through the previous 4 days. If you did, then you should have already a gig set up on Fiverr, which means that maybe you even got your first order. But to make sure that we actually get these orders in, we will have to complete the 5 days, which means that today I'm going to show you how to just make sure that you get these orders in, because when you have a new gig with no reviews on it, obviously it's hard to convince someone to buy from you. Okay, very important thing, as we talked before, if you want to outcompete the sellers that are already established, you just have to give a better deal, you have to deliver faster and maybe a better price. Okay, which means by a better deal I mean if someone delivers like one YouTube thumbnail, you can give them 2 YouTube thumbnails for a better price and deliver it faster. So this is the 3 different ways you can just convince people to buy from you and not from an established seller. But let me share my screen with you and let's jump into today's training. Okay, so as you can see, going back to the same gig that we were talking about, I will design 3 YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours. So as you can see, this guy has 629 5-star orders. Okay, so obviously you won't be getting 600 orders this week or next week, but you don't want to have 0 orders as well. And as you can see, he has 8 orders in queue. So what you have to do is just get 10 first orders in. This will do 2 things. First of all, people will actually see that our people buy from you. That's some social proof, and if this will be 5-star orders, then people just feel safe and they think, okay, our people are buying from this guy or this lady, and they are leaving a 5-star review, and he's giving a better deal than all the superstar sellers. I can just buy from this person. Okay, so your job for today is just start getting your first 10 orders in, which means that it can be even your family or your friends that will buy your gig. You will deliver it, and you can send them the money back. This is not important, so you won't be spending any money on it. You'll just use pay like $1 per gig in fees, which is cool. So for 10 gigs you're gonna have to spend $10, but it's totally worth it, because with just 1 or 2 orders you're gonna get the money back, and then the real orders will start rolling in. So first of all, the go-to strategy is just ask your family, send them the link to the gig and say, listen, just buy it from me, and I'm gonna send you the money back. All your friends. So if you're gonna get 10 orders in this way, then it's perfect. After you're gonna get these first 10 orders in, the organic sales will start rolling in. Fiverr will start promoting you, people will start trusting you more, and just the organic sales will start appearing every single day. If you don't have any friends or family that can help you out with this, no worries, we can go to Facebook, and there are many Fiverr Review Exchange groups. So just type in Fiverr Review Exchange, go to groups, and you have a number of different groups that you can join and just exchange reviews with people. So as you can see, you have the Fiverr Review Exchange, Fiverr Review Exchange, another group, Fiverr Review Exchange group, Fiverr Gig Promotion and Review Exchange. You have a bunch of these groups. You can just join them all and see who wants to exchange a review with you. So in a nutshell, it means you give them a 5-star review, they give you a 5-star review. But with that being said, keep in mind you don't want to be using the same account. So if I have just one account and the other person has one account, you don't want to be switching order per order, because Fiverr can see that this is a review exchange. So it's always safe to get your reviews on your main channel and then order from another one, or you can do a three-way review, which means that you buy from the second person buys from the third buys from you. So it's a circle, and no one can track it back to you. So just be safe with it, don't overdo it, and you can get your first 10 reviews this way. And again, after the first 10 reviews, you will see a spike in sales, and you will make $100 easily. And from that point on, you can just keep on adding gigs, you can keep on receiving orders and making more and more money. Okay, So this is my day 5 task for you, and as I mentioned in the beginning of this whole 5-day challenge, I'm gonna have some exclusive training for you. So I'm going to be opening my coaching. So if you want me to take you by the hand and show you exactly how to make money from scratch, we will talk about Fiverr, but we will talk about a bunch of different things as well. This is monthly membership, which means that I'm gonna be doing live Q&As, interviews, workshops. I'm going to add fresh video training every single month, and I'm going to be opening it tomorrow, and I'm actually doing a webinar, so it will be a free training webinar for you guys. You have a link in the description if you want to sign up. So you can just show up for the webinar. If you want to see in the end of the webinar, I'm going to be opening the card, and you can sign up for my monthly coaching, which will be called Art of Marketing Elite. Okay, so right now I just wanted to show you the sales page for it because I'm super excited for it. So as you can see, it will say the future of your online income is here. I'm taking you by the hand, so I'm going to show you exactly how to get orders like this one. So Fiverr, obviously the starting point is $5, but we will focus on orders like this: $45, $50, $55, $35. And obviously Fiverr is not the only thing that I'm going to teach you inside. We will cover a bunch of different things. Obviously, if you don't know, I am a superstar affiliate on Warrior Plus, on JVZoo as well. I'm the top 3 most followed vendor on Warrior Plus, and you can check this out yourself. So I have a ton of proof. I made over $1 million in sales on Warrior Plus in products, over $200,000 in affiliates, and this is just one of my accounts. I have a couple. Then on JVZoo, I have 6 figures as an affiliate as well. That's my another Warrior Plus account. So I just have a ton of proof. I've been doing this full time since 2014, and I'm going to take you by the hand. So just for me to show you what's inside. So you're gonna get a library of video training, and this will be updated every single month. Live monthly Q&A sessions, live signature monthly interviews and workshops, top class support, and also a Facebook mastermind group. So you're getting all of this with Art of Marketing Elite. All of the bonuses that are mentioned right here on the sales page. As you can see, I got some more proof right here. But what I'm going to be doing just for you guys that took part in the 5-day challenge, I'm going to give you additional $8,000 in bonuses. Okay, so let me just show you the bonuses because it is pretty crazy. So these will be the bonuses that I will be giving away only for a couple of days and only after the webinar. Okay, so make sure to show up for the webinar. And my first action taker bonus is a full evaluation of your account and gigs by myself. So this is a $1,000 worth of value. So I'm personally going to go into your accounts and check everything out. That's the first bonus. I have 10. Action taker bonus number 2, a 20-minute strategy session with myself. Oh, and by the way, all 10 of these bonuses are only for the people that will go for the one-time price, not the monthly price, okay? So that's another $1,000 in value, a 20-minute strategy session with myself on Skype or any other messenger that you would like. Also, a third action taker bonus is a collection of done for you courses. You can give these away as bonuses. You can sell them as gigs outside of Fiverr, etc. Number 4, we got social media traffic strategies. So all of my top traffic strategies, you can use them for Fiverr or anything else. That's a $300 value. Number 5, we have YouTube traffic masterclass, another $300 worth of value. Number 6, we got a giant list of affiliate offers to promote, $200 in value. Number 7, we got done for you autoresponder sequence, another $300. So these are done for you emails. Number 8, we got 10 done for you lead magnets, okay, another $200 worth of value. Number 9, we have my done for you freedom funnel. This is something that I'm actually selling for $1,000 right now. You're getting it for free, so you're getting 100% commissions on all of my products. And number 10, we got the 7-figure masterclass. It is currently selling for $300. You're gonna get it for free. So you're getting all 10 of these bonuses. That's a total value of it's say $7,000, but it's like more like $8,000. So you're gonna get all of this for free just when joining Art of Marketing Elite, okay? And this is only for people that will pay the full price and not the monthly price, okay? So guys, use the link in the description if you want to sign up for the webinar. I'm going to be emailing you, I'm going to be messaging you about it as well. And right now, go ahead and finish the day 5 challenge and let's start making some money. If you have any questions, leave me a comment right now and I will be seeing you on the webinar. Ciao.